Hello everyone, welcome to Aveda Ayur's YouTube channel. I am Simran Nagpal, business developer at Aveda Ayur. Today we are going to talk about one Ayurvedic supplement that you need to tap into a $1 billion market. Did you know that over 94 million men worldwide suffer from an enlarged prostate or BPH, benign prostate hyperplasia? In India alone, almost 50% of men aged 60 and above are affected. That's millions of men searching for relief and a better quality of life. The prostate health is booming and has been valued at over $31.8 billion globally in 2021 and is expected to grow by $48.9 billion by 2026. With an aging population and increased awareness, the demand for natural and side effect-free solutions is skyrocketing. Men today prefer natural Ayurvedic supplements over synthetic medications, and this shift presents a massive opportunity to grow your brand by offering a solution that meets their needs. Natural ingredients have been proven to help manage symptoms of BPH, commonly known as enlarged prostate, like frequent urination, especially during nighttime, dribbling, and discomfort without harmful side effects. This is where Ayurvedic herbs come in. Our prostate care supplement is crafted with Ayurvedic ingredients such as Nagarmotha, Neem, turmeric, Rama Tulsi, Punarnava, and Gokshur, which are known to be highly effective for supporting prostate health. At Aveda Ayur, we specialize in creating premium Ayurvedic products designed to deliver real natural results. Our carefully crafted formulas are plant-based and are free from additives and preservatives. Partner with Aveda Ayur and add our powerful prostate care supplement to your product line today. DM us now or visit avedaayur.com to learn more. Together, we'll help men live healthier lives while growing your business.